Hey guys, Paul with Miami Engines here. What do we have here? We have a F9 M5 CS, and first thing you notice is there's something missing. The coolant tank. The problematic coolant tank that should have never been put there from the get-go. Well, we have a solution for that. Together with VAC and Moroso, we designed a relocation kit. We have an aluminum tank and a complete relocation kit for the M5s and M8s that'll solve all your cooling system issues. So the coolant tank's actually in this open cavity, perfect spot for it. It's away from all the engine heat, away from the valve covers, away from the turbos, from the exhaust. We've been running this setup on this car for just over 3 months, and the first thing we noticed is a drop in coolant temp. Engine temp went down by about 8 to 10 degrees just because of the relocation. Some of the nice features are the sensor works with your factory wiring. We do include the harness for it. There's also a sight glass so you can visually see the level of the coolant, if it's in fact low or not. We do include all the hoses. There's silicone hoses, the fittings, the clamps. It's a complete kit.